guys. Alright, this was an accident while I was in the car, and I was playing with my little brother, and my brother was accident. So there's a sorry to that, I think, and he cried, God bless us.